Good morning, everyone. So, today our group discussion topic is the climate change. So, basically, you have to discuss what are the regions of climate change, and in the recent year, climate continuously degraded. So, how we can improve this? You have to discuss about this. So, start with this. Introduce yourself and okay, sir.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. My name is Bharat Baloda. My father's name is Mr. Premchand Baloda, and my mother's name is Mrs. Gisi Devi. I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I did my graduation from Government College, Jaipur. I have done my 12th class from Board of Secondary Education, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Rajasthan, Ajmer. And from the same board, I did my 10th class and secured 75% marks. My hobby is to read daily newspaper and to play kabaddi. And I was runner-up in inter-school debate competition in 12th class and won second prize in inter-school kabaddi championship in 10th class. I want to join Indian Air Force as an airman because I want to live an adventurous and updated life and meet with the new people of the different parts of the nation and know about their culture. And Air Force provides an opportunity and serves our family even we are not at the home and take care of the family also. Thank you.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Everyone, well, thank you for the given topic in the group discussion. But before starting it, I just want to tell a few words about me. Well, my name is Dheeresh. My father's name is Mr. Ram Barusi and my mother's name is Mrs. Rajvati. I am from Bharatpur, Rajasthan. Now I am going to tell about my educational qualification. I am pursuing my graduation from Maharaja Surajmal Biraj University. I did 12th from the Board of Secondary Education, Rajasthan, Ajmer in 2019. As far as my strength is concerned, I am a extrovert person. Extrovert. My hobby is playing cricket. My aim to serve my nation as an airman in Indian Air Force. I have a joint family. This is all about me.
Good morning, sirs. Well, thank you. Well, thank you for the given topic in the group discussion. But before starting it, I just want to tell a few words about me. My name is Vikas Singh Tawar. My father's name is Mr. Mahavir Singh Tawar, and my mother's name Mrs. Sajan Kaur. I am Sikar from Rajasthan. Now I am going to tell about my educational qualification. I am pursuing graduation from University of Security. I did 12th from Board of Secondary Education, Ajmer, Rajasthan, Ajmer in 2018. As far as my strength is concerned, I am an extrovert person. Now it's time to tell about my hobbies: to play cricket and read newspaper. I, I am joined. My aim is joined to Indian Air Force because as an airman, the sky has no limit. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Well, my name is Atul Kumar Devanda. My father's name is Papuram Devanda. My mother's name is Mrs. Basna Devi. I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan. Now I am going to tell about my educational qualification. I am pursuing my graduation from University of Rajasthan. I did 10 plus 2 from the Board of Secondary Education in 2019. I secured 82% marks. My hobby is to play cricket. My strength is, as far as my strength is concerned, I am extrovert. My aim to serve my nation as an airman in Indian Air Force. I have a joint family. This is all about me. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Navin Rankar from Nagaur, Rajasthan, which is famous for spices. I have done 12th with 85% from RBSE board and I got 94% in physics, chemistry and maths. I am amiable. I am quite good in outdoor sports, especially in athletics. I have participated in state games as well. In my spare time, I like watching movies, listening songs and time spent with families. My strength is I am a self-motivated person who never give up. As far as my family is concerned, there are 12 members in my family. My father is a cycle mechanic, my mother is a homemaker. We are four brothers. I am younger all of them. I want to join Indian Air Force because it's my passion. The motto of Indian Air Force, touch the sky with glory, itself a reason enough to join Indian Air Force because it's each word filled with the full of honor and satisfaction. Now my views on the given topic, climate change. Climate change is the greatest crisis of the world being faced today. It is responsible for the increasing sea level, ferocious fire, severe drought, and pushing floods. This is the threat to our health, communities, economy, and national security. That's all.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Pankaj Kumar. My father's name is Mr. Pyarelal and my mother's name is Mrs. Ramgari Devi. I am from Alwar, Rajasthan. I did graduation from University of Rajasthan in 2020. I completed 12th from Board of Secondary Education Rajasthan and secured 82 marks. And I completed 10th from same board and secured 83 marks. During my graduation, I did the basic training of Scout Guide. My hobby is to doing regular workout and play cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is a precious job and I want to live adventurous and updated life. Thank you. This is all about me.
A pleasure good morning to all of you. Well, thank you for the given topic in group discussion. But before starting it, I just want to tell a few words about me. My name is Vishal and I hail from Nagaur district, Rajasthan, which is famous for its spices. There are 5 members in my family, my father, mother, 2 sisters and me. If I talk about my qualification, I did my 10 plus 2 in 2019 with 82.20% marks. In my free time, I like swimming. I am physically fit and mentally sound and committed to my work. I want to join Indian Air Force because it will bring adventure and glory in my life and it will give me a platform where I can showcase my technical skills. That's all about me. Thank you.
Good morning, sirs. Well, thank you for the given topic in the group discussion. But before starting it, I just want to tell about something me. My name is Vikesh Kumar. My father's name is Mr. Arvind Singh. I am from Bharatpur. Now I am going to tell about my educational qualification. I am pursuing graduation from Matsya University, Alwar. I did 12th from Board of Secondary Education, Rajasthan. I have secured 87% marks. As far as my strength is concerned, I am extrovert person. My hobby is to play cricket. My aim is to serve my nation as an airman in the Indian Air Force. I have a joint family. That's all.
Good morning, all of you. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Sagar Singhodia. My father's name is Mr. Mahesh Kumar Singhodia. My mother's name is Mrs. Rajbala Devi. I am from Alwar, which is famous for Bhangad, the top horror place in the world. Talking about my educational qualification, I have done my 12th in 2019 with 88% marks from Board of Secondary Education, Rajasthan. I have done my 10th in 2017 with 88% marks from the same board. My hobby is to do workout regularly. My strength is my positive attitude and committed to my work. I want to serve my nation as an airman in Indian Air Force because it is a better platform where I can serve my nation in a little age, like 16 to 19 years. That's all. It is all about from my side. Now I am going to summarize the topic climate change. Climate change is a alarming subject today for entire world. The global warming is increasing rapidly. Therefore, the process of melting the snow is increasing and the sea level is increasing. Many species are in a dangerous condition today. These signs are not good for the world. That's all.
Good morning, gentlemen. My name is Priyanshu Yadav. My father name is Mr. Rajesh Kumar and my mother name is Ms. Nirmala Devi. I hail from Alwar, Rajasthan. I did my 12th in 2017 and now I'm pursuing my BSc second year from Rajasthan University. As far as my liking concerned, I like working on computer, playing cricket and I am amiable. I want to become an airman in Indian Air Force because I want to live an adventurous and updating life. And I also want to meet new people of different parts of the country to know about their culture also. Now I would like to tell you about the topic which has been assigned to me. The topic is climate change. Climate change is known as slow change in temperature, and oftenly climate change is referred specifically change in global temperature from the mid of 20th century.
Nowadays, climate change is the most dangerous thing all over the world. It is due to greenhouse effect and the emission of chlorofluorocarbons, which is reduced by or AC refrigerator also. It can cause increment in sea levels and depletion in icebergs and the global warming also.
A study conduct NASA the rise in CO2 is in our atmosphere and highest compared to last 20,000 years.
Yes, I agree.
Greenhouse.
According to a study, there is a rise in 3.2 millimeter in sea level per year, and also we also have to face the problem of pure water because glacier store 3/4 of pure water of the world.
Greenhouse.
I agree with you. What is the climate change? Main cause of climate change is global warming. Global warming is the increasing by the increases now the surface temperature of Earth due to effect of greenhouse gases.
Yes,
Due
I
to-
agree with you. as according to the NASA study, this year the increment of concentration of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere is highest among the 20,000 years among.
NASA report predicts the increased sea level, increase sea level for the
industrialization. In this period, we are regularly cutting the trees. We are regularly flowing our wastage water into the canals, and we are regularly disturbing our rivers, and we are regularly disturbing our mountain areas, our forests. So it decreases our depletion and decreases our ozone layer thickness. So this increases the temperature and causes many types of disease like skin disorders.
Deforestation is the main cause of climate change is that we are regularly burning fossil fuels and decrease forest in agriculture.
Deforestation
Gases like sulfur and carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide are very harmful and injurious to health and causes many types of disease like cancer, like asthma and
Yes, I agree with
We
you.
should
According
not
to your
use
research,
fossil fuels
in
like
Montana Island,
oil and natural gas also, because it can produce methane, and methane it is more dangerous than
This is not because main cause of the deforestation. Now we use for our natural uses. We cut the jungles and forests. This is a deforestation, and it's called the.
Deforestation is a major reason for the climate change because the trees maintains the atmosphere and temperature and
Because tree absorb the carbon dioxide much more.
Yeah, mostly developing country wants to become developed, so they're regularly rising industrial plants, and that affect badly to our climate. And its disease very bad, and it increase very bad.
depleting day by day, and even the area of like smaller countries. The glacier in Antarctica is floating due to this climate change and increasing in temperature.
from 2010, we have to decrease the use of coal power by 60 to 80%, and we have to increase the use of renewable sources by 100 to 500%.
Antarctica glacier, the glacier are
But the interesting reason behind
and the sea level are increasing regularly.
Yes, sea level are increasing.
According to a survey, between the 19th century and 25, the sea level increased like approximately 20 centimeters.
I am agree with you. NASA predicted that the sea level is increased 8 degrees in the last 10 years. It is double of the last 10 years. IPCC predicted that the level of
Yes, I agree with you. The first UN Assembly was held in Germany in 1992, and now the last was held in Spain in 2019 in Rio de Janeiro.
Not held in 2019, it happened to 1995. It 1995. 1995 happened, and last was in 2019 in Spain.
But I satisfied that guys because first.
A young girl, Greta Thunberg, were protesting regularly in the front of US Parliament. So the US government is taken many measures.
It is our duty to decrease.
friends with people, friends with nature, and the people with tree. In
71 countries agreed on the Paris Agreement. They agreement that they reduce the pollution and global warming to 2.5 degrees.
Yeah, and it is our duty. We should have to first introduce. We should have to first educate ourselves and our society to climate change problem.
And banning and
the primary thing is that we should take care of the trees and plants nearby our houses.
To overcome the climate changes, India taken the step that after 2020, 100 billion of the fund will be donated in the Paris summit.
Yeah, according to a NASA report, every year 30 million forest hectare are decreasing. So we should have to green forest. We should have to make
Because some
foresting.
poorer countries are not able to donate in the positive meaning of climate changes because
Yes,
they
it
are
is dependent upon the developed country and
because they are
developing country. If a developing country, it is allowed to use the natural resources
is
like
a
coal and natural
responsibility
gas.
It is not only the duty of our government. It is our also duty. We should have to use public transport and less flying
Yeah,
Yes,
it is our
we should degrade the
yeah, it
use
is
of
our
natural resources.
responsibility. That's why Indian government started the
public transport, and we should decrease the level of these polluting vehicles, and we should use renewable sources of energy like solar energy.
Yes, in India, the
environment.
Harmful UV rays come directly to the surface and they also cause skin problems, cancer and many more diseases.
this year in Delhi, Diwali is not loud as earlier because of the pollution increases, and this affect the environment gradually.
Yeah, and we also in the situation of COVID-19, the level of pollution are decreasing. So we have to use. So we have to not waste anything like.
Indian government try to clean the environment. So he banned the crackers in India and explosion of crackers in Delhi because of air pollution.
And to improve the current climatic conditions and make a proper rules and to ban the and to improve our climate.
Yeah, we should have also vote that.
We are also able
It is our
to use
duty to vote that government that can help our world and climate and take good steps.
And we should use the public transport, and we should do not pollution in the. Yes, it is true. We should apply the policy that a person should plant a tree for on his birthday or someone special occasion.
I'm satisfied that this one person statement because the 3% project those is start is Los Angeles because there is a now these days climate changes have the burnt their jungles, then they started helping their neighboring and started plants to every house there.
Yes, on international level, there are many projects for the climate change. There is in Los Angeles there is forest and people, and Paris Agreement are also signed by the 171 countries all over the world.
At least the
agreement there are stated that if a developed country use after 2020 coal, then it should be punished. And
Yes, I agree with you. If you force our government to take action on this, and we also have to increase our own needs, means we have to decrease the use of coal, natural gas.
India of the group discussion is that we should have to aware ourselves and our society and decrease the climate change pollution.
I am agree with you. In the United Nations,
Without the help of the population, without the help of the people, we cannot
according
support our
to
climate.
Paris
So
Agreement,
we
India
have
committed
to
that
help
by
our
the end of 2030, there should be the total ban in natural resources.
China is the one of country that who said that I overcome the climate change and reduce the carbon pollution at the 2020.
I am agree with you. In a United Nations, the conversation, all the countries decided to extend their.
In the Paris Agreement that we have overcome this issue at the 2030. We have to start a renewable system at the more because solar power energy started 500 crore megawatt per year.
Yeah, in the modern age, everyone want electricity. Every country want electricity to improve their technology and services. As according to it, we should not use to improve the technology for the coal, the natural resources are present in nature. We should use solar energy, and India also.
Some of human activities are responsible for the climate activities because they are more than more experiment with the nature because it's the main cause of the climate change.
I am agree with you. In the Paris Agreement, India decided to not use the fossil fuels in 2034.
Now we have to conclude our topic.
So, gentlemen, mostly
Now I would like to conclude the topic, the climate change, which is given by the sir. In this
topic,
we should obey the guidelines which is provided by the government.
and we should support and we should do our 100% and give our 100% to save our climate and support our government to improve the better condition. If we want to live longer and live safer, then we have to save our climate.
Yeah, in this situation, the positive thing is that we are not all alone. We all are together.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should follow the guidelines which is given by government and follow our duties.
Yeah, thank you.
We should rebuild what we lost. We should grow the trees. We should use the public transport. We should
Use renewable sources.
Yeah, I am agree with you.
Yeah, I'm agree with you. The conclusion is right. We have to expect from the others. We have to use only renewable sources apart because the renewable sources have long time. There is no end of in the earth.
After analyze the whole good point, I conclude that we have to force our government to take decision urgently, and we also have to make use of good renewable resources and good bulb at our homes. Thank you.
In my conclusion, we should grow more and more trees in our near us and reduce the fuel burning.
Okay, thank you, gentlemen, for coming in the participating in the group discussion. So, thank you. All the best.